Alright, we're back in Florida. You're here to pick the boat up from... Alright, we're back. Just got back from Central Marine. And look what we got on the boat. We got motors and a ladder. Check that out. Still gotta do some final finishing on the gel coat repairs, but for the most part, we're good. So, look what we got here. Brand new 2018. Counter rotating stainless props. Still sitting on the new trailer. Got the windshield. We're good to go. Check that out, kids. Back up so you can see the whole thing there. Yeah, that looks pretty, don't it?
Sir, come up here. Sir, come up here. Come up here. Come up here. Right now, I'm going to give you a pop-up. Okay, I'm going to give you a pop-up.
All right, we're going out for our inaugural run. First time we're putting it in the water. You can see the holes are gone, the rub rail's there. We got a ladder, 2 new motors. Still doing some work on this side, but no holes and scratches and stuff there. So here we go. Let's head to the dock. Get him there, what'd you get? You got him, dude. What you doing? Where are we? We're on John Penny Camp. Check the anchor. Alright, so today we're going to work on doing non-skid repair on the top gunnel. So let's go to the top of the boat and I'll show you what we're going to do. Alright, so you can see the repairs that we've done to fill in the holes and the scratches and the scrapes. So we still need to do some non-skid up here and clean up all this stuff. So what I'm going to do is basically build a template from this back piece, and then we're going to use it up on the front as the mold for the non-skid. So I've got it taped off. What we're going to do next is go ahead and spray it with PVA. Alright, so we're going to be using this PVA from Fiberglass Supply Depot. It's worked really well. As you can see, I've got about half a bottle gone. So I'm going to go ahead and get it in the gun and get spraying. We're going to do 4 coats using the HPLV gun with a compressor. So we'll go ahead and let them kind of tack over. It's like 94 degrees out here right now, so shouldn't take very long for it to dry, but we'll go ahead and get those sprayed. Alright, so we have put on the first layer of gel coat. So we put the PVA down. I just showed you. Now we just took a brush, and I'll show you here that in a second, and put the first layer down. I dyed the gel coat a nice teal color like we've been doing on the rest of the boat. So that'll be the color of the mold. So we'll see how it comes out. Hopefully it'll release. But we did just used chip brush. Just lathered it on lightly so we didn't tear the PVA, or make sure we didn't remove the PVA or anything. So we're gonna let this tack up, and then we're gonna put on some chop strand matte epoxy, put a layer of 1708 epoxy, and pop it off and hope for the best. So let's see how it goes. All right, so we got our supplies ready. We're gonna use the West System 105 epoxy, the 206 hardener, because it's 93 out right now. And also what I'm going to do is put some thickener in there, just because the boat's nice and shiny on the outside, and I don't want any of that running onto the new paint. Got a thin roller, and then we've got our pieces of cloth ready and cut. So 1708 and some CSM. So this is what we're going to use. We're going to get this epoxy mixed up and get going. So in order to do that, it's a 1-to-1. It's a 5-to-1 mix. All right, let's pump it. Alright, so there's the biaxle on there. So we've got that all thin rolled out. And I've got a little bit of dirt in there because my brush fell on the ground, but it's alright. So there we are. We're going to let this set up now overnight. And then we'll come back tomorrow, and hopefully all goes according to plan. This will pull off. If not, I'm going to have a big mess on my hands. But hopefully we'll be good. Okay guys, it's the next day. Let's try this mold. Everything should be set up. Hopefully it'll come right off, and we can use it to set up the next one, the next section. So here we go. There it comes. And we've got a nice pattern for non-skid. Check that out. That's pretty neat. Alright, so we've put the gel coat down, we've put the mold on top of it, and now we're weighing it down. I got my helper up here, Hayden, and we're getting ready to, it's dried over all day, so we're getting ready to pull it up.